No, it's almost dinner
What's
time.
for dinner?
Wait.
With all that you have to get done, wouldn't it be nice to have one task taken off your to-do list? Well, you can. The longest-running family-owned dry cleaner in Raleigh, Brothers Cleaners, offers free personal pickup and delivery.
I love using Brothers Cleaners because of my busy schedule. I don't have time to run by the dry cleaners once to drop off and then to pick up again. I don't have to be home. It's one less thing I have to do, and it's free. Now my trip to the dry cleaner is as easy as walking to my front door.
You can even use the free pickup and delivery from your office. Delivery can be made at a central location or right at your desk.
This is so easy. I mean, I just bring my dirty clothes with me to work, and a few days later, they're clean and they're back in my car and headed home with me when I go. It saves money, time, convenience. I don't have to worry about packing this crazy errand into my schedule. And best of all, they don't even charge extra for it. You know, I was a dry cleaner for 17 years, so I can go anywhere. But Brothers is my choice.
Brothers Cleaners is Raleigh's only master-certified Sanitone dry cleaner. They offer the free pickup and delivery service so customers can continue to enjoy superior service that fits any busy lifestyle.
We've been in Raleigh since 1916, focusing on great customer service and investing in new equipment and technologies for superior quality. Brothers Cleaners started the pickup and delivery service to make our customers' lives more convenient. We have automatic billing, so you never have to pay the driver. If you have any dry cleaning needs, let us come to you. There's no extra charge for pickup and delivery. It's the same as if you come in the stores. We have a fleet of drivers that cover the triangle.
Customers get free laundry bags and benefit from regular twice-a-week pickup and delivery routes, which are based on geography.
My customers usually leave the dirty clothes on the porch, and I leave the clean ones hanging on their door. Because customer service is so important to us, I have my cell phone on me at all times, and they're allowed to call me anytime with any questions or concerns.
Brothers Cleaners can box or hang your shirts. They also offer gown preservation, expert alterations, and area rug cleaning, all of which can be utilized through the pickup and delivery service. Brothers Cleaners has stain removal professionals, individual item inspection, and free button replacement. They deliver to Raleigh, Cary, Chapel Hill, Wake Forest, Apex, RTP, Morrisville, and Holly Springs. It's quick and easy to begin. Just call the pickup and delivery hotline at 1-800-558-BROS or 2767. You can also sign up online at brotherscleaners.com, and you'll receive a telephone call within 24 hours with your assigned delivery days and driver. Remember, Brothers Pickup and Delivery service is the same price as a walk-in. There's no service charge or hidden costs. If you use dry cleaning regularly, let Brothers Cleaners come to you.